Hi everyone, wishing you a very happy, blissful, memorable Diwali to you all since the markets for all is favoring with a gap up open today. So it is going to be a historic one in terms of a Diwali day and the Muhurat trading following with tomorrow. Because the markets have been in a running of a bull run and the markets next run of rally also formed in the recent week as we have predicted based on our behavioral analysis. Based on the October 15th high and low, we have described about a breakout and breakdown. If it is any happens, the direction would be on the same side. Like as it has broken the high of 15th of October's high and the continuation of the bull run with a new leg of rally also confirmed by the Nifty and Sensex side, which is expected to continue as today's open with a gap up, huge gap up also is going to help the trend to construct in a strong and intact manner continuously for the next month even. In case of any low point or any retracement kind of activities is actually occurring on the market, that can be treated by the way of treating that 15th of October's low and high. The high point would be the first support and the low point would be the final support hereafter for the Nifty and Sensex. As long as it is actually holding these 2 points, the high of 15th October and the low of the same date, the support zones will be acting as a very strong demand zone for the market if it is actually trying to recede. With this good news about the market's behavior, we would like to start the week, fresh week, with cherished momentum since the festive seasons like Diwali has been actually making us to enjoy with a reason. So the Diwali momentum sparkles with recent weeks upside momentum the market already witnessed. And for the day, the opening session would be with a cheerful one and because it is a gap up open. After opening, the Nifty probably will be trying to retrace somewhat. Anyhow, the retracement may not be lasting. The range bound actions can be expected on the Nifty side. In case if it is actually trying to retrace 25,700 would be acting as a strong support zone. Before that also one can see 25,800 somewhat actually acting as a support. But anyhow, the strong support for the day can be treated as 25,700. From the positional perspective, the support zones of 25,500 would be treated as a biggest one, strongest one. And hereafter, until as long as it is actually keeping this 25,500, even 25,449 as an exact point, also can be followed as a strong support zone from the positional perspective. And for the day, the upside after opening and what the high is going to be recorded on the chart would be noted keenly. Because after making the high, if it is breaking the high immediately in the next 5 minutes candle itself, say for example, if the Nifty is making the high of 25,950 like, in the next 5 minutes, if it is breaking and closing above the first 5 minutes candles high means we can expect some continued momentum on the Nifty. If not, the retracement and the range bound based activities is expected on the Nifty. Why if not we are actually telling means the gap up would not be required to continuously moving in all the time. But if the volume persists, if the interest and participations increases, the next 5-minute candle also can be make the Nifty to move further. But for that, we have to wait and watch. Anyhow, the retracement, as we said, would be a chance for the day traders as well as the positional traders to utilize this kind of pullbacks or very slight day-based or timely-based corrections, like a 1 hour based correction, whatever the thing maybe you can take. So that can be utilized for building long or fresh entry also in the long side. Those who are all having positions till last week can utilize this particular hike to trim your holding through the way of booking profits, because in this vibrant day, booking profit and having it in your account will be a vibrant one for all, and a positive mindset. It may be continuously happening on everyone's mind through the way of this kind of practices. The sectors like banking, finance, FMCG, realty, energy, IT, maybe the tier 1 sectors one can actually watch out for the today's markets moment. Anyhow, other sectors also probably will be having like oil and gas, capital goods, public sector enterprises also can be watched out. From the stock side, based on the results, based on technical behavior and news if any, because of the fantastic results given by Reliance Industries, it would be holding the 30 to 40% of markets upside along with the HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. So the rallies 30 to 40% portion would be taken care by this Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank because of their results. Ultratech Cement also will be joining the party. JSW Steel based on results. Punjab National Bank, Bank of India, and IDBI Bank, IDFC First Bank, IndusInd Bank, RBL Bank, Yes Bank, Federal Bank. See, major banks from the large and mid-cap space based on results we have listed out here that can be utilized for the day trading opportunities. The stocks like Dixon Technologies, fantastic result. This also. Hindustan Zinc and L&T Technologies also can be focused for the enhanced opportunities in the today's trade. Keeping stop loss anyhow would be needed for protecting everyone's capital and enjoying the favorable risk reward ratio. That's it from today's pre-market outlook space. So we'll be discussing again in the pre-market outlook on Thursday, since the 2 holidays approaching, including one with the Muhurat trading tomorrow ahead of Diwali festival. Wishing everyone again a blissful and a prosperous Diwali. Thanks again. Bye-bye.